What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video right here on ChriSamz property channel. And guys, today I'm heading over to Chester Creek to give you guys an update on what is going on over there in the community of Westchester. We know the work has been going on for a while and a lot of units have gone up, but it has been a little while now since we've gone to this development to give you guys an update. So I'm heading there now to give you guys a drone shot of what is going on. We will be giving you guys an update where the property is concerned, and I'm still unable to give you guys that exclusive tour of the unit. I'm still working on it. Hopefully the next time I get the chance to go to this development, I am able to provide you guys with that tour of the inside of the unit. So far we've seen several videos on the internet, but you know that we are definitely going for the quality and not so much just to get a video. So as soon as I am able to, hopefully by our next visit, I can give you guys that tour of the unit. So guys, remember that if you have not yet done so, to subscribe to the channel. Remember to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss the updates. You cannot afford to miss when we announce properties going for sale or when new developments are coming. So turn on the post notification bell. Remember to like this video. Remember to share. Remember to subscribe. And remember to leave your comment down below. Tell us how we're doing. Tell us what it is that you want to see. If there's something that you don't like, you can still leave it in the comment section down below, and we will work on the requests when you send them in. So guys, I'm going to jump into this drone shot. I'm almost at the development, and I'm going to let you guys see what is happening on this side of Portmore. So I'll catch you guys on the other side of this drone shot in a few. Alright guys, so that was a lovely, beautiful view of Chester Creek. It's very windy on the outside right now, but I hope you guys enjoy that video. As you can see, the work is going on as per usual, and the units are also looking lovely. So guys, remember, as soon as I'm able to give you the tour of the inside of this development, I will definitely do so. But thank you guys for your patience. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and remember to continue to support our journey as we grow in numbers, alright? Not only in the views, but also in our subscribers. So guys, bless up on yourself one more time. This is Chris from ChriSamz, and I hope that you guys will share out this video and that you will continue to be a part of this community. So it's peace out from Chris from Chester Creek, and I'll catch you guys in another video at another property at another time. So bless up on yourself and take care as always, and it's peace out.